Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be teaching you guys how to make bots, sync bots, delete bots, move bots in RH Dance Studio, just like you can see in the background in this video. So let's get to it. So first, I'm going to show you guys how to get bots in the first place, because you can't sync bots without any bots. So all you're going to do is open up the chat. All you're going to type in is, I don't even remember like what this thing is called. It might be a colon or something, but that. And then you're going to put bot me. And then a bot will show up. And then you can just keep doing that. And if you want to have like variations of your bot, you can put avatar codes, or you can just remove clothing that you're wearing to make it different. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to remove my hat. I'm just going to remove my arm warmers. And then I'm going to bot me multiple times. So let's do that. So now that we have all our bots, now we are going to figure out how to sync our bots. First, I'm going to show you just normal sync, and then I'm going to show you guys multi-sync, which is honestly, multi-sync is so much more fun because it can have all the characters moving in different ways. So let's get into that. Okay, so I'm really hoping you guys are in a private server. If you're not, join one, but you're going to go up to the top right corner and you're going to click host. Then you're going to click dances, and then you're going to click sync players. Now for just normal sync, all you're gonna do is pick a song. So I'm just gonna click ABCD. I love that song. I love the song. I love the dance. I know the dance, you guys. It's amazing. And you can just click this green play button. Okay, so as you can see, that was very cool. But if you want it to be even cooler, what you're gonna do is click multi-sync. And when you click multi-sync, you're gonna type in how many bots you have. So right now for me, I have 5. So you're gonna type in the number 5, or if you have a song like a K-pop group that already has 5 people, you can just type in the song and that's gonna come up. But I have 5 people. I don't really know what song I want, so I'm gonna search up what song I want. Love Nikori, so we're gonna do that. Sometimes it doesn't work, and you're gonna have to click in the instance it does not work, you're gonna go down and click auto rename bots maybe twice, and then you're gonna click play. And if they don't all move at the same time, you need to click the red square, and then you need to play it again. As you can see, some of the characters went inside each other. Now, if you want to know how to reposition your characters, this is not always going to 100% fix it, but it can help. So I'm going to show you how you can reposition them. You're going to go into the chat. You're going to do the same thing. I can't remember. Is this a colon? And you're going to type in btools. And right down at the bottom in your inventory, you're going to see building tools. Oh! And in the case that this happens, because this is very like full, there's a undo button at the bottom. And you can just click that. But what we are trying to do is move our bot. So you can click your bot and you can just move it. You can really just move them anywhere, because like we're just gonna move them out the way and see if that fixes our dance. And as you can see, it did not. Now the problem here is, what you're going to want to do when you're actually doing the dances, you're going to want to go to the video originally and see where they're standing before the dance starts. So in this case for this, they're kind of in like a zigzag line. I'll insert a picture, and you're going to want to remake that so that's the spots that they can be in when the dance actually starts. Because if you're not using actual players, the game's not going to be able to fully move the characters into the right spot. They're all going to move them into the spot that they think the characters are in. So we're just going to quickly do that. And now you can see it's not really in the most perfect way, but we're gonna see if this makes it even better. As you can see, it wasn't the most perfect. I probably would put them closer together next time, but for now that's gonna work perfectly fine. You know, trial and error, practice, and keep trying. But next, if you're gonna try to film these dances, it's gonna be a lot easier for you to change your settings than to just zoom in and like step backwards, because it's gonna be more blurry. It's gonna be harder for you to edit. It's gonna be a lot harder to just make a video. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into the top right corner again. You're gonna click the settings button. And when I first did this, I thought, oh my gosh, I can't even use the settings. But literally all you have to do, scroll down, click hide UIs, and there you go. You're just gonna get in your camera. You can get closer if you want, you can get farther if you want, and then obviously you're probably gonna want to hit play before, and then you can run your dance. I hope this video was helpful for you if you ever want to try to sync your bots. I really hope you got this working, and try to guess the dance the characters are doing and down below. I will heart every comment who gets it, and I hope this was really helpful. Love you and bye, bunnies.